Hey, I'm Stefan Nemmens with Copper Builders, and I'm excited to show you the Ayden floor plan today. It also happens to be our brand new model home right behind me. This house is 4,233 heated square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, media room, bonus room, office, and a whole lot more. I'm excited to show it to you. Come on, let's go check it out. The first thing you're gonna notice when you walk into this Ayden floor plan is the beautiful grand foyer. It has a huge 20-foot vaulted ceiling, huge windows, tons of natural light. It's immediately gonna invite you into the rest of the home. Nothing says open floor plan like the Ayden model. The openness of the Ayden plan doesn't stop in the living room. It continues outside. Let me show you. Having the ability to open up these accordion style doors connects your outdoor living to your indoor living, and it just doesn't get better than that. The Ayden not only lives really well, it's perfect for entertaining. This kitchen is a chef's dream and an entertainer's dream. 10-foot island, 48-inch range. It's perfect for cooking, hosting guests. Whether you're living or entertaining, you're gonna love this plan. Speaking of entertaining, I want to show you my favorite room in the house. It's the wine room. So at Copper Builders, we love to take these small spaces and work in some really fine details. We started with the doors in this space. These sightline steel doors match the front doors. You get that same feel as when you walk in. We took a lot of time and care to design and really maximize the wine storage in this space. We've installed a panel-ready Thermador wine fridge. And then over here, we have a really ample sized bar top with glass storage. Gives you all the working space that you need. Tucked away off the main living area is an incredible primary suite. The Ayden's primary suite has a vaulted ceiling, tons of natural light, private coffee and beverage center, and the nicest closet I've ever been in. Also on the main level is a cozy, secluded office, a fireplace, and vaulted ceiling. Right off the garage is a spacious mudroom connected to the laundry room on the other side here, and then on the way to the kitchen, you can just drop your groceries off in the pantry. All right, we're up here on the second floor, and we've got 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a Zoom room, and the space I really want to show you, which is the bonus media room. This space is so cool. You have a sunken movie room, bar top, fully stocked wet bar, plenty of space to play. So whether you're watching the big game or you're just having some quality family time, this space is perfect. Thanks for tagging along on this tour of the Ayden. And if you want more information, check us out at copperbuilders.com.